Hello, my dear friends. So, today's date is 3 April 2026, and currently the time is 9 a.m. in the morning. So, yeah, currently I'm speaking in English. From yesterday, I have decided to record my every video in English, and yeah, it's not a big deal basically. I can I can convey my message in English. I think so. Not in proper way, but in some bit, some at level, I can do that. I think so. So yeah, this is I'm doing this thing because of maybe in future I will need a proper English so I can speak in front of people and convey my message properly. And there is some problem in my English currently basically. Because of that, I'm trying to improve my English speaking quality, and also along with I'm trying to convey my message properly to the people's audience, not audience, but people's around me basically. So this is also one point, and another thing is recording in English makes my video reachable to half of the world basically, out of the country. And yeah, it is one more better thing basically. So this is not the context I wanted to tell, but yeah, it is the starting of the video, and maybe I can remove it in the editing. So for now it's okay. So what was the reason why I'm trying to record the video right now? Currently it's morning. I waked up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Then I was gone to walk. Basically I walked around 1.5 hours, and yeah, and means around 10,000 steps I have covered today. And yeah, it was a regular thing basically, but yesterday I had taken a drop basically, rest you can call it. And yeah, there was some issue in the morning yesterday, so that's why I have to take a rest, means I couldn't go on walk. But after that I came there, I started working in the morning at 7 a.m. I started working, and basically yesterday I had a lot of the things to be consider, work on, and basically take a decisions about. So yesterday I did one not important thing, but yeah, it was the decision I have taken. So currently I am developing a app which name is WorkNet or WorkInt. I am currently deciding the apps names basically, because yeah, that name is changed multiple times in the past, and recently I am more interested in WorkInt name. So yeah, I am trying to develop a WorkInt app. It's currently in Android version. I am trying it basically, but I can export it into iOS also, because at core I am using React Native basically. So maybe I can do that, means there will be only one code base, and I can apply my code, basically launch my app in iOS and Android also. So that was the summary, and after that, so this development process is going from around 2 years basically, literally in next month, April, May, yeah, in next month it will be around 2 years basically, and I have made so many mistakes in between, and taken so much bad decisions, but it was okay because I got something basically knowledge, information, experience, and that is mostly more valuable to me than maybe succeeding in the process basically. Yeah, from last 2 years, my perspective toward the looking the things has changed very much drastically, and currently few last months or days you can say, yeah, I have changed a lot basically. So this code I was developing from around from 2 years, and at that time when I started developing app, mobile app basically, so I was new in that technology. I didn't know about mobile application development. I have worked on Java ecosystems and website basically, and applications around desktop applications basically in my previous company. But I don't have that knowledge about mobile development basically. So that's why also, and because of other things like when I was working in company, I had almost 3 years of experience there, and at that time I was getting some task basically. I had knowledge of Java, I can code basically, so I was getting some requirements, one requirement documents you can say that. In that I had given some instructions, you have to do like this, and that was a very old code basically, and I have to do some Java code in that and do as requested basically, or as a requirement about it. So I never thought about full scale level of application, actually how is it actually working from behind in front of. Just I know yeah, I have to make some changes here and there, and push the code, and it will be okay basically. So main premise of I'm talking about this because I had a very little understanding of the development process. Basically, I was working in very small sector of that full development cycle, and when I started my, basically I thought I can handle basically. I can start my own startup. I can launch my application app and get revenue and do something better in this world, which is like I wanted to, yes, make a better world basically. And yeah, when I took this decision basically to do all this, I was not prepared about it, and I know that thing. Maybe I have taken a better decision in my life. Maybe about I should have did some work and all that, next job, do that thing and all that thing. But I decided to fall in this thing, and let's check. I thought let's check what can we do and what will happen basically. And literally it was the worst decision of my life, but I like it because I love myself for taking this decision. I am proud of myself. Why? Because this last 2 years changed me so much drastically that nothing means the amount these 2 years changed me. My last previous 24 to 26 years never changed me. The amount of knowledge or experience I have taken in last 2 years, it is almost much more than last previous my 26 years of life. And literally for that I am so much helpful to my last versions. There are so many issues, problems in my life currently, and literally they are worst decisions basically, but still I can manage them. And there is no problem that I cannot handle basically currently. So this is the thing. So I'm recording this video so I can basically keep logging my development process, because it's better, because I wanted to, when basically in future, if I wanted to know why I have taken this decision or why I have done this thing, so I can go back to these videos and watch the video, understand my real mentality and all that. And these videos are basically for myself only, you can say that. But I'm uploading this video in public. Maybe anyone can watch them. I don't have issue, because literally there is no such a thing called privacy. And till now I was more a privacy thinking person. I never shared more than required, basically with my friends, with my relatives, known person. I never talked much. I never shared things which are not required in the conversation, or which things may get pollute my identity or some sort of image. So I was more cautious about my image, what I talk in front of people. Literally I was measuring every word I say, like what will that affect and all that, means thinking and imagining about that. And in actual real world things go sideways. That's why I never able to control these things. And currently I am trying to get out of these messy things, and I'm trying to be better in communication, in relationships, in maintaining my work and life balance. Basically there is no line right now, work and life. My work is my life right now. So see you soon in next video. Bye my dear friends.